Okay, we're running into a bit of an issue where when PDFs are created and plots are made, um, the graphics in the PDF are in color, which means that when you print, you get a lot of grayscale. So when you do a print preview, you can see there's a lot of information here in color in the PDF, and this is not what we want. So the issue is, how do we fix this? Obviously, the first thing that we're going to look at is we want to look at page setup just to make sure that all the settings are correct. So page setup manager, there's already one of the predefined corporate Aguirre-Roden standards applied to this layout. So PDF 30 by 42, let's just look at the settings, make sure it's right. AIA line weight by object.stb is correct, and everything else is ready to go. So the plot layout, the print settings are fine. The issue is now one of layer configuration, and this is one of those things that for a lot of people it just throws everyone. In this office, in Aguirre-Roden, color does not equal line weight. Okay, color does not equal what color it prints out. Okay, because some people are used to, color 102 is green and or on the screen, but color 102 prints gray. There are some companies that do things like that. We don't. Our layer set out is very different in that regard. I'm going to show you again the critical thing here, and it's this part. It's the .stb. It's a style-based line weight file, not a color-based line weight file. So we have some additional settings on our layers that are causing everything here to be printed in color. So it's a line weight, or it's a layer configuration. It's a layer issue, not a print issue. So I'm going to close this, and I'm going to look at my layer dialog. And what we have is I'm going to look at my entire list of layers, and I'm going to sort by plot style. This is the culprit right here. Anything listed as normal, any layer that has a plot style of normal will print the color that the layer is. Okay, so I'm going to highlight, since all these title block layers and a couple other things are printing in color and we don't want them to, I need to change these from normal to medium. Now for this particular style, medium is a catch-all. It's going to be black. That's it. I know you see fine and thin and medium, wide, extra wide. That's not line weight. It's simply normal as color. Anything screened will print 50% gray. Doesn't matter what color it is on the screen. Anything ending with the screened is going to print 50% gray. Anything that's not one or the other, if it's not normal and it's not screened, then it's going to print black. That's it. That's all we have to remember. And what I do is, when in doubt, select medium for the plot style if you want it black, select screened in the plot style if you want it to print 50% gray. That's it. If you want to print multiple shades of gray, for example, color 250 through 254. If you want to use all those different colors of gray, then those layers need to be set to normal. The layer configurations that I have in our corporate standards are already set up that way. So we just want these things to print black, so I'm going to set them to medium. Click OK. That's it. 0 I leave as normal, and def points I will generally leave as normal, but that's not really an issue right now. So that part's done. And I do another print preview. We've got some missing things here. So let's go back into my layer dialog. Let's again look at all my layers, sort by plot style. Oh, we got some more normals in here that I didn't get the last time. I didn't scroll through the list well enough. So click there. Let's get all of these. Oh, come on. Sometimes running remote has a few problems. I apologize. There it is. Work my way up. Okay, I want to I want to take def points out because I want def points in layer 0 to still be normal. Okay, click on normal. I'm going to change it to medium and click OK. Now what I can do is I can sort through these by their reference type. So I can look at only the layers that are in the existing floor plan. And you can see that in my existing floor plan I have a couple of existing layers, but they're going to be printing black, so I want to change those to medium screen so that they will print gray like all the all the remaining existing layers. Existing. Okay, so there's that. Do another print preview. Now you can see everything is printing black and gray like it's supposed to be. So once again, if you have objects in your PDF files that are coming up in various colors, it's not a plot style issue, it is a layer issue. And you need to change the plot style of the layer in your layer dialog box. All this stuff is spelled out in the manual. Let's see if I can't pull that up real quick. Your CAD manual is located in C drive, Aguirre docs. Here's all your CAD manuals. So we look at the AutoCAD manual or all of our Aguirre Rodin manuals. I'll look through our layers. Templates, I have a section for this. Plotting and page setup, colors and line weights. Let's see what page this is on. Page 10, colors and line weights. So this whole section right here describes what we went through in this video. So once again, just a reminder, when in doubt, look in the manual. Chances are you'll find it. All right.